Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and I'm not in my office for a change. This is the new GoPro Hero, the budget option from the king of action cameras. But this is a really cheap one. It has a touchscreen like the Hero 6, slightly lower resolution video recording and camera capabilities, but we wanted to go test it, and of course you can't test it indoors. So what I've done instead is I've got something rather interesting.
This is the iConBit Smart Kick Scooter Carbon. As you can probably tell from the name, it's an electric battery-powered scooter that's built almost entirely from carbon fibre. That means it's super light, and with a top speed of around 25 km per hour, that's about 15 miles an hour, and a maximum range of 18 miles, it's zippy and pretty useful for short commutes. It has a bright LED light strip on the front, levers for braking and accelerating on the handlebar, as well as a smart display and control system for switching it on, off, seeing your speed and going faster. What's more important for this review though is that there are plenty of ways to attach the GoPro, including this strong clamp accessory, and of course the chest mount is always a safe option.
So we've got the GoPro attached, we've got the electric scooter. Let's go.
Now the £200 Hero doesn't have advanced stabilisation like the Hero 6 or HDR, which means less vibrant images and video, but with 1440p video and quick story support, you can still create a nice looking short clip, or a long clip if you prefer. Now everything about this camera is seemingly aimed at getting beginners in on the GoPro action. The menu system only gives you a handful of options to choose from, and all of it is pretty automatic. There's no ProTune settings for adjusting the minutiae of capture controls, and it's lacking things like GPS and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast offloading, and sadly it doesn't support the stabilizing Karma grip. You get video mode, photo mode, and time-lapse video and photo. The former of those, along with this cool rotating head from Manfrotto, can mean some pretty neat time-lapse effects. Now the great thing about this Hero though is that it works exactly like the Hero 6 and the Hero 5. That means you get the touchscreen on the back for that super easy interface, something that the Session never offered. And it fits all the same mounts and accessories as the Hero 6 as well. So while it's a great beginner's Hero, it's also an ideal secondary Hero for those who already have one. Now with the right accessories and mounts, you can still have a lot of fun with the more affordable Hero. But of course at £199 it's still not quite as affordable as some of the really budget options out there. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on all the important social media networks, so be sure to go ahead and follow me on there. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you again soon.